In this video, we are going to see that if you want to connect your eBay account or eBay application directly into Discord using an API, here is how you can make that connection easily in Discord application. First of all, if you're on the home tab, you can just head over to the profile icon where it says you at the bottom right. Just click on that. And then in the profile, you can see on the top right, we have this gear icon. Just click on that. It will open up all the settings. From here, we need to scroll a little down in the account settings section. Just click on the connections, and here all the popular applications are here to connect. But if you can't see your application on the face of it, just click on +18 and you should be able to see all the popular applications that you can connect to. Here is eBay. Just click on that, and then it will head over to the signin.ebay.com. Here you just have to mention your credentials, your email or username, whatever you are using, and just click on continue. And once it is signed in, it will automatically connect into your Discord application directly using an API, and that's how you do it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.